Hello viewers, welcome to Anisa's Tech Tutorials. To get my services of graphic designing, social media marketing, and WordPress development, contact me on my Facebook. In this video, I will show you how you can make green screen videos. For this, install KineMaster app. I have already installed the app. So click on Open and then Create New Project. Select the 16:9 ratio and click on Create. Skip the ad. Click on Image Asset and select any color. Extend the video by dragging it. Extend the video as much as you want the time duration of your video. Then click and choose the color. You can make green or blue screen video. Now, if you want to add music, click on Audio. Click on Albums or Folders from where you want to add music. After selecting the music, drag it to adjust. Now, to export the video, click on top arrow. Lower its bitrate so it will be downloaded in less MBs. Select 720 HD and save video. Wait until it is saved. I hope you find my video easy and simple to understand. For more videos, like and subscribe to Anisa's Tech Tutorials.